Tired of seeing shorts all over your YouTube feed? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove YouTube Shorts from the desktop site and mobile app. Now let's get started. To get rid of shorts in your home feed on the YouTube desktop site, open your preferred browser and go to youtube.com. Scroll down on the YouTube homepage until you see the Shorts section. Then click the X on the right to hide the Shorts section. The Shorts shelf will then be hidden from your YouTube homepage for the next 30 days. To get rid of YouTube Shorts in your home feed on the YouTube app, open the YouTube mobile app and scroll down to find the Shorts section. On one of the shorts in this section, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the thumbnail. In the menu that appears, select Not Interested. Repeat this on every Shorts video in this section until there are none left. After that, Shorts will be hidden from your YouTube app's home screen. That's all it takes to remove YouTube Shorts from the desktop site and mobile app. Note that doing this will only temporarily remove shorts, as there is currently no way to remove them altogether. You may have to repeat this process if shorts appear in your YouTube feed, and even after doing this, you may still see shorts in search results or in your subscription feed. For more helpful YouTube tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of YouTube tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.